I'll have to interrupt you, Prakash. Mr. Godrej is addressing the press.
Quarter of the last financial year as well as for the whole year. The fourth quarter consolidated organic constant currency net sales increased by 12%. India business branded net sales increased by 12%, led by double-digit growth across categories. International business grew by 14% on an organic constant currency basis. Fourth quarter consolidated organic constant currency EBITDA increased by 15%, driven by a strong growth of 13% in the India business and 20% in the international business. Fourth quarter consolidated net profit plus advertising adjusted for tax increased by 27%. GCPL continues to gain market share across its core categories across geographies. The board has declared an interim dividend of 250%, which is 2.50 rupees per share. Our performance in the second half of the fiscal year 2015 has been much better than that in the first half. On a constant currency basis, sales in the second half grew by 14%, whereas profit after tax grew by 26%. Our strong performance is on the back of a gradual recovery we are seeing in FMCG growth in India, aided by a continued focus on innovations and brand building, and supported by competitive marketing investments and enhancements in our go-to-market infrastructure. We have continued to consistently grow ahead of the market and have gained share in our core categories. I'll ask our Managing Director, Vivek Gambhir, to give his views.
Thank you, Mr. Godrej. Good morning. As we had projected earlier, our performance in the second half of fiscal year 2015 has been much better than that in the first half.
Okay, Godrej Consumer. Now, this is one better performing FMCG company, both in terms of margins and also in terms of volume growth. The management is of the view that they see FMCG growth and they see a market share gain. International business is growing at about 14-15%, which is not bad considering that they are present in other emerging markets economy. But market share gain across geographies, across categories, I think is the only way to grow, because in general, the FMCG market, because reach has been so strong in India, may not give you an explosive growth like it gave you in 2000 and late 90s. Market share gain,